about what we should learn from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great human being, loved by all people, irrespective of their social diversity. He used to listen people's problem as a routine and have a regular interaction with the student who he considered as the valuable asset of our nation. Second, religious tolerance. He was unbiased throughout his life and fought hard for nation's unity and maintaining secularism. Once, when he was asked to ignite a lamp, he said that lamp is a holy thing in Hinduism and candle which you gave me to ignite is a holy thing in Christianity, and I am a Muslim. This is India. Third, to have a high goal in life. He always had high goal in life and worked hard to achieve that. Once asked in an interview why he always has high goals in life, he replied, "Life with goals is like a balloon with air. As the balloon continues to exist only if it has air, so the life continues to exist only if it has goals." Not only he had great goals, but he urged the students to have high ambition and work hard to achieve it. Fourth, philanthropist. He was a great philanthropist. He gave his entire earning to a fund called Pura, providing urban amenities to rural areas. It is a strategy proposed by him for rural development in India, and he also donated many things for social cause. He also said that he will donate his earning to the fund as the government takes care of him. Last but not the least, selfless person. He was such a humble and selfless person. He cared more for people than for himself. Once, when asked why you did not get married, he replied that if he had married, he will become a selfish person, caring for his own family. So that was the reason why he did not get married. It is very rare to see such a human being like him. Having such characters, we should follow at least one of his character as a sign of showing respect to this legend. And also, we must be proud that we lived in the era of this legend. Now, some thoughts that are written by Mr. Abdul Kalam. My message, especially to the young people, is to have courage to think differently, courage to invent, to travel the unexplored path, courage to discover the impossible and to conquer the problems and succeed. These are great qualities that we must work toward. This is my message to the young people. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Let me define a leader. He must have vision and passion and not be afraid of any problem. Instead, he should know how to defeat it. Most importantly, he must work with integrity. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better world. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those. Today I am going to talk